Place an empty coffee mug under the steaming wand. Turn the side knob to hot water. Run water briefly to rinse the machine and warm your mug. Then turn the dial off. Add fresh coffee grounds to the portafilter basket filled to max line. Firmly and evenly press down with the tampering to level the grounds. Secure the portafilter handle into the group head. Press the double cup button to extract espresso. When the extraction is complete, point the steam wand at the drip tray. Turn on the steam button. Wait about 15 seconds. During this process, the steam lights will blink while the single and double cup lights are off. At the same time, you can fill a milk pitcher with cold milk filled no higher than 1/2 full. After the preheating is completed, the steam light remains on. Submerge the steam wand tip just below the milk's surface. Turn the steam dial on to texture the milk until it's silky and about 60 C 140 F. Turn the steam dial to off. You should pour the steamed milk into the espresso now. Awaiting extraction completion, perfect espresso is ready. Point the steam wand into the drip tray. Briefly turn steam on for 1 to 2 seconds to flush out any milk residue. Wipe the outside of the wand thoroughly with a damp cloth. Press the steam button again to turn off steam mode.